Hello, my name is Craig Oestreich, and I work for Asset Vue as a solution engineer. I'd like to show you how to pair a Bluetooth device today by pairing a barcode scanner to my laptop. These steps are similar to mobile devices also. The first thing is to open the Bluetooth and other devices on the laptop from either the system tray in the bottom right or from the Windows menu on the Start button, Settings icon, and select Devices. If Bluetooth is not turned on, we can turn it on here. Next, we want to click on the plus sign to add Bluetooth or other devices. Make sure your device is powered on at this point. A barcode scanner is a keyboard emulator, so we select the option with a Bluetooth symbol. Once you see the name of the device appear in the list, click on it. Some devices will prompt for passcode, which will be provided with the manufacturer's documentation. This device does not have one and will pair dynamically. Now that the device is paired, I'm going to test two tags in this Notepad. There's one, and there's two. I want to thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, please contact us at support@assetvue.com or the links inside the description of this video.